Broadway is a reason to celebrate.
She's the equivalent of like plyometrics. You laugh so hard, you leave with a six-pack.
I don't think I've laughed this hard, maybe ever, in a rehearsal room.
I'm just excited for another piece of the truth to fall into place tonight.
You cannot go wrong with Rachel Chavkin.
Louis Faster is, of course, extraordinary.
I'm so thankful for this new voice on Broadway. Finally, it's about damn time. It's about damn time.
New blood, new plays, new points of view, new beautiful artists making those plays. I'm excited about that.
It's very special because it's the Broadway debut of one of our actors. Welcome to Broadway, Darcy. But this is the first play by a Native American woman on Broadway.
And I'm just so grateful for y'all to be here to share this night with all of us. Lamiele Wokula.
Opening night on Broadway.
See up here, Mom? Mom. I know. That's crazy.
These people who I get to share the stage with every night, so grateful that they are who they are.
I'm like floaty. I feel floaty. That's a good feeling.
There is no better feeling than standing on a Broadway stage and making people laugh.